Today I'm testing the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360. In the box you get the shaver itself, a few combs to trim your beard, the charger, and depending on the exact model you choose you can have some extra blade and some combs for the body or the intimate areas. Design-wise, it's super light and it feels really good to hold. The new 360 head pivots in every direction, so it stays in contact with your skin no matter the angle. The handle has a nice texture grip that feels premium and secure, even when your hands are wet. Now let's see how it performs. The blade glides really smoothly and the 360 head actually makes a difference. It stays close to the skin even around the jawline. Now for the pros, after testing it, it's super easy to use and makes shaving quick and effortless. You just turn it on, make one pass and you're done. There is no need for shaving cream, no going over the same area again and again, and no need to trim your beard first, even if it's really long. It's very comfortable and safe, no nicks or irritation, it's lightweight, easy to handle and precise. It's actually a really great tool for shaping your beard or moustache super precisely. On the downside, the replacement blades can get a bit pricey over time. If you shave often, you will probably go through 2 or 3 blades per year. That's around $30 a year. So is the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 worth it? Yes, it is. If you want a super easy everyday shaver that's gentle on the skin, this is the best one on the market right now. For convenience and comfort, it's hard to beat. You can check today's price on Amazon, the link is in the description. Ciao guys!